Hi, I'm Sarah Brennan, Investment Advisor here at Hamilton Hindin Greene. This year, we're proud to be celebrating our part in a 125-year legacy of investment expertise as one of New Zealand's longest-standing independent share-broking firms. So we thought today we'd take you through behind the scenes and show you what really goes on inside our firm. Because while builders create something for you to see, we're building long-term financial security. We're crafting strategies and portfolios for our clients that will grow and evolve for many years to come. So every day, our advisors are keeping a very close eye on the markets, ready to adjust portfolios based on what's happening both here domestically and globally. First thing in the morning, we're checking news updates and we're also discussing what's moving in the markets so we can make better informed decisions for our clients. Whether it's a major shift or a small opportunity, we're very proactive, keeping our clients updated and making sure their investments stay on track. Our approach is personable and we understand that every client is different. We take the time to understand you as a client and what your ultimate goals are. We then tailor a bespoke portfolio to suit you. Behind the scenes, we work together as a team, always sharing insights, discussing opportunities, and reviewing strategies together. We meet frequently in our investment committee to ensure we're making the right calls, not just individual advisors, but as a united team working for the best outcomes for our clients. We host many investor education workshops and exclusive listed company events for new and existing clients. Whether it's about KiwiSaver, saving for your child's education, leaving a legacy, a charitable trust, or retirement planning, we believe in empowering our clients with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. Well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing behind the scenes of our days here at Hamilton Hindin Greene. If you're thinking about investing, we're here to help. Come in for a chat, give us a call, or even visit our website to find out more. We'd love to work with you.